She loves you, yeah, yeah, yeah. She loves you, yeah, yeah, yeah. She loves you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey guys, how's it going? It is I, the real Randy Chavez. I'm coming at you today with a Bitcoin update video. We have so much to go over today. I'm just going to get into the chart before I read some articles. Bitcoin over the last month has gone from 43,000 all the way up to 58,000, coming back down, retesting the lows at 43,000. And it seems like a lot of people are saying that around the 50, let's see if I can find on the chart, the 51, 52,000 mark, that's the breakout point, and it seems like we're going to retest the highs, and it seems like a lot of people are saying, again, it's not financial advice, not a financial advisor, but that these people are predicting around 70,000 in the next couple of months, because again, when it went from 30 something to almost 50 something, it's almost a doubling. So if it goes to 40 something to 80 something, would not be surprised. 70,000 I think is a sweet spot. Up about 3,300 points today, about 6.5% so far. Going into the articles from the Bitcoin magazine, CT partners with Blockstream for a Bitcoin mining development. Basically, after an influx of top U.S. companies investing in Bitcoin, it appears that the rest of the world is beginning to play catch up. Yesterday, Norwegian holding company Aker ASA announced the formation of a new business, which is what I went over this morning. Basically, that will be dedicated to Bitcoin investment and fostering its underlying technology. Shortly afterward, Blockstream announced a partnership with CT to focus on using Bitcoin to maximize existing energy production. Now, while Bitcoin is well on its way to performing the financial industry, it also holds the potential to bring about radical improvements in global energy distribution. According to the announcement, quote, our partnership with CT will improve power grid efficiency, drive further investment in renewable energy, and can act as a catalyst to a more sustainable future, all while improving Bitcoin security in the process, end quote. That's not to say that this is without Elon Musk's batteries and trying to, save the grid, make sure it never happens in Texas again, going on and so forth. Blockstream is a Bitcoin development firm with several fronts, including a mining division, a Bitcoin sidechain called Liquid, a satellite that broadcasts the Bitcoin network, and more. So the announcement suggests that the firms would rely on Aker's expertise in the legacy energy sector to explore Bitcoin applications. Basically, quote, by dynamically balancing energy demand through Bitcoin mining, Blockstream enables greater scale and significantly improves the economics of renewable energy projects. Quote, as per the announcement, CT and its parent Aker have extensive renewable energy assets around the world. This opens new doors and enables us to pursue more ambitious projects in Bitcoin mining. In addition to a focus on mining, the announcement noted from the firms would also be exploring financial products or industrial applications using the Liquid network and elements, foreign exchange, cash management, and trade settlements. Now, Kjell Inge-Roki, the main shareholder of Aker and founder of CT, hailed the partnership per the release. Quote, by merging Aker's industrial capabilities and experiencing with Blockstream's leading position in Bitcoin and blockchain technology, we believe that both parties can greatly accelerate the pace of development, end quote. Brings us to another article saying, this one by William Suberg, and it is from Cointelegraph, and saying Bitcoin price cracks major resistance as analysts eyes $70,000 per coin. An overnight move higher sees local highs of 54,500, and fresh hope that support levels will now focus on $50,000. I think it's around 52, but yeah, just reading the article. Bitcoin price hits 2-week highs, and data from the Cointelegraph markets and TradingView showed Bitcoin US dollar hitting local highs of $54,500 on Tuesday. The latest attempt to break out of its sideways trading corridor, the move was still consolidating at the time of writing, but amid heavy volatility, a retracement on day targeted 53,500, still above crucial resistance. We now obviously know it's at $55,585 as of the filming of this video, as we're going right there, looking in on Yahoo. A Cointelegraph reported analysts were eyeing 52,000 as a line in the sand for securing the next stage of the Bitcoin bull run. Oh, who called it? I didn't even read this beforehand. While the weekend produced healthy upside, Bitcoin still had to cement even 50,000 as strong support as the week's trading began. On the back of 24-hour gains topping 8%, however, the picture on Tuesday was fast improving as evidence showed that 47,000 had become conspicuously strong support. Bitcoin jumps over 54,000, aided by more signs of institutional interest in the largest cryptocurrency. Markets commentator and contributor to German News Daily, Die Wilt Holger Scheipitz, summarized to Twitter followers, basically saying, quote, institutional interest sets the latest bull run apart from 2017's retail-driven surge. Goldman says, much of the institutional demand has been driven by fears around asset evaluation, end quote. Basically, a lot of what this means is that it's not just us, it's not just normal people that are doing it. Big institutions, like I said, Fidelity, Citibank, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, and JP Morgan's one just telling their high-end clients with $10 million or more. It's ridiculous. They should really be telling everyone to do the same thing, but whatever. That's what they're doing. Outside of that, you had Cathie Wood yesterday of ARK Invest when she was being grilled about Tesla. I think it was on CNBC. Mentioned Bitcoin in there. She's mentioned before. This is one of the greatest financial minds of our generation, like the Warren Buffett of our generation. She is so intelligent, was right about Tesla all along, and has said before that Bitcoin should be in everybody's portfolio, and she thinks it will. She thinks it could be 20% of people's portfolios. This is something where if got 20%, now mine's not even 10% right now, it's just because it's all in other places. It's all in Pokemon cards, it's all in Tesla, it's all in aging receivables. Again, I have two businesses. So very little of it, it's like 5% maybe is in, not even 5% is in Bitcoin. I'm trying. I bought $4,000 worth of Bitcoin yesterday, 500 today. I'm out of money, guys. I need to wait. Basically, the analyst on the $70,000 Bitcoin price says destiny awaits. The institutional picture became even more bullish on Monday after one of Norway's richest people launched a Bitcoin-focused spinoff firm using Bitcoin as its sole treasury asset. We've gone over that last few days. We know exactly what they're talking about. Quote, Bitcoin can be verified, divided, reassembled, stored, and transported at virtually no cost. It's the perfect, scarce digital asset by design, from Kjell Ingrok, and he wrote in a widely circulated shareholder letter. Quote, all that's required to keep the network running is allocating the cheapest electricity in the world. Electricity secures the network. No trusted party or people with guns are needed. I call that progress. Now, again, or end quote, sustainable energy. What is Elon Musk doing? He's helping accelerate the transition to sustainable energy. This is going to, and with all of us, say if you have a Tesla, if you have let's say the solar panels, the Powerwall, Tesla's auto bidder software can make it so that we are our own utility companies. What are the top 10 most profitable companies in the world that make the most amount of money? Most of them are utility companies. And that's only going to help Bitcoin. I'm bringing that up just because it helps Bitcoin. Now, elsewhere, hodlers were watching a bullish setup unfold in Bitcoin's daily moving averaging convergence, divergence, the indicator, which on Monday was primed to repeat behavior, which previously resulted in February's March to $58,300 record highs. I'll show you what we mean right here. That's the chart in which they're talking about. So support would be probably around there. Yeah, that's looking where the support is. And I'll show you exactly where it is on the chart over here. Yeah. So the previous breakout, again, is at 40. That was, retesting the lows, but that's around where it would be. That 51,000, 52,000 mark would be the support. Moving on away from that. Sorry if you got a little bit of the emails I was writing there. Basically, outside of that, quote, destiny awaits. Cointelegraph market analyst Flib added in an update to Telegram channel subscribers, highlighted a target range of $70,000 and higher using Fibonacci levels. Thought that was really cool. Anyway, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe. Comments are good for the YouTube algorithm. Everyone comment down below if you have bought more Bitcoin today, as I did. I love you all. Class dismissed. Meow, 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 meow.